Hey, thank you everybody for coming in and welcome. Welcome to Brickfront Properties and Construction, our investment course. Okay, so, out of this class, you guys are going to learn a lot of stuff. And one of the things we're going to go over is your materials. How to properly buy your materials and how to properly have your materials on the job site according to where the project is. So we're going to talk about granite and how to properly measure your granite. We're going to talk about the different type of backsplashes and how the backsplashes and the colors and the color schemes with the tiles, having everything put together in a scheme for your kitchens and your bathrooms. That is what's going to sell the house. So we're going to talk about how to get the right materials, how to get the right products, how to come up with the right design. We're also going to talk about make sure you guys got the right tools when you're on the job site. You got to have your measuring tapes, your knives. You got this. It's a water moisture to determine if there's water inside the basement. So we're going to talk about different tools that you guys need, how to properly measure for hardwood floors. If you got a 15 by 15 floor, you want to determine what the cost is going to be for the materials and labor. And then we're going to share with you different tools on different construction books and how to use these tools to properly estimate your projects. Okay, so also we're going to talk about electric panels. There's a lot of homes that were built in the 30s and the 40s and the 50s that have 110 amp coming in. So we're going to talk about how to do heavy ups, how to change your panels. We're going to talk about what the cost is from a contractor to replace panels in a lot of these old homes. We're going to talk about how to properly measure your carpet and how to properly, change your square footage to yards. Carpets are sold in yards, so we're going to talk about how to properly measure for your floors. We're going to talk about the different types of cabinets that you should install in the home. Again, the kitchens and the bathrooms are what sells the product. So you don't want to go cheap. You want to build a proper property in the right neighborhood. So we're going to talk about cabinets and how to properly, get the right sizes for the walls and the base and the drawers and things of that nature. So we're going to cover a lot of this stuff in this class. The ultimate goal is to get your product to a finish where your homes will sell. Your product shows well. It's not going to last on the market. And most buyers want a ready moving product. They want new kitchens. They want new bathrooms. They want a finished product. So we're going to get your products from an ugly home. And we're going to go through the process of locating a property, to creating your budget, to finding your contractors, how to deal with your HVACs, your plumbers, your electricians, your roofers, how to deal with the private money guys, the hard money guys, how to create your material list. And then we're going to show you how to create the timelines and making sure all your cabinets and everything there are there on a time, so you are utilizing your labor in the most proper, effective manner. We're also going to teach you how to properly utilize your dumpsters when you do the dumpster and when you do the demo work, how to properly save hundreds of dollars with just dumpster fees, and a step-by-step process on how to get your project done from A, B, C, 1, 2, 3 to get your house sold, get your money out, and so you can go to the next property. So again, Sid Hameed with Brickfront Properties and Construction. Seats are limited, so please, stay tuned, and we'll send you additional information. But we're looking forward to teaching you, inspiring you, and motivating you guys into becoming real investors. Thank you very much.